Hey, how's it going today? I'm going to talk about my FrankenFence. This fence originally came with my Makita job site saw, and I put an aftermarket saw on that, and so this fence went up into the attic of my garage and was there for, I don't know, some 20 years. But being the baby of a Depression baby, you never throw anything out. So when I finally decided to get a fence on this to do some resawing, that's what I went up there and grabbed it, brought it down, and I'll show you the parts of it. So here was the original fence. So I took a piece of oak, machined it, took it on the joiner, table saw, chewed it up, attached it with nothing fancier than a few screws and washers. So the next thing that you will see is that the table was not as large as the fence. So I ended up taking some oak, and I think this was a piece of maple, and making up the difference in the space. And all it really cost me was 4 6mm bolts and a trip to the local hardware. So when I set up the fence, I use a 1-2-3 block and a combination square. So I will set the middle measurement first. Then if I have to make any adjustments, I'll double check the back. Double check the side closest to me. Go back, check the back again. Snug it up. Set my 1-2-3 block in there. Make sure that's square to the table. So here is 4 of the resaw pieces that came off the bandsaw. And these have not been through the planer. And I just wanted to see how well they came out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, most things are easy once you know how.